Preposition shows relationship between a noun or pronoun with other words in sentence. Show use simple and clear dot examples that will dot make commonly dot used single word preposition easy dot to remember. About. This book is about history. Above. The picture hangs above the bed. Across. She walked across the street. After. He left after the meeting. Against. The ladder is against the wall. Along. There are trees along the road. Among. She sit among friends. Around. They sat around the table. At. She is at school. Before. She arrived before me. Behind. The car is behind the house. Below. The river lies below the hill. Beneath. The keys are beneath the sofa. Beside. The lamp is beside the bed. Between. The ball is between the chairs. Beyond. The village is beyond the hills. The book is by the window. Down. He walked down the stairs. During. She slept during travel. Except. I like all fruits except bananas. This gift is for you. From. The letter is from my friend. In. The keys are in the bag. Inside. Stay inside the house. Into. She walked into the room. Nia. Sit near me. Have a cup of tea. Off. The cat jumped off the table. On. The book is on the table. Over. The plane flew over the city. Hester. She walked past the store. Since. She has lived here since 2010. Through. The train went through the tunnel. Throughout. It rained throughout the night. Till. Wait till tomorrow. She went to the school. Toward. She moved toward the door. Under. The cat is under the table. Underneath. The coin is underneath the sofa. Until. She worked until midnight. She came with her friend. Within. Finish it within an hour. Without. She cannot live without music. Up. She climbed up the hill.